Monkey want big cave. Big cave is safe. Big cave has room for bananas and maybe a lady monkey. But cave owner want a mountain of leaves. Monkey only has tiny pile. If monkey saves 1 leaf a month, monkey will be 100 years old before buying cave. Monkey will be dead. This is bad. But monkey no need wait 100 years. Monkey use cave loan. Humans call this a mortgage. Before Monkey Bank gives leaves, they look at your chest, not your fur, your trust badge. Humans call it a credit score. It tells the bank if you are a good monkey who pays back leaves, or a sneaky monkey who runs into tall grass. If your number is above 740, bank smile. Bank happy. If your number is below 580, bank nervous. Very nervous. Wait, do you know your number? Pause video. Go check your trust badge. If badge is muddy, we clean it first. Next, stone pile. Humans say down payment. Bank wants proof monkey has own leaves at risk. Usually this is 20%. If cave costs 100 leaves, monkey brings 20. Bank brings 80. Bank pays cave owner. Monkey move in. Life good. But listen carefully. Bank owns cave. Monkey is renting. Until every leaf is paid back. Bank is not charity. Bank wants payment for lending leaves. Meet the interest bug. Borrow 100 leaves, pay back 105. And because cave loans take a long time, usually 30 years, the bug eats many leaves. Sometimes monkey pays back double the cave price. Quick recap. Shiny trust badge. Big stone pile. Feed the interest bug. Simple. Even a human can do it. Now, choose your vine. Fixed vine. Same payment forever. 5 leaves today, 5 leaves in 10 years. Shaky vine. Cheap today, chaos tomorrow. Jungle economy sneeze. Payment jumps from 4 leaves to 10 leaves. Stop paying leaves. Bank sends big gorilla. This is foreclosure. Bank takes cave. Keeps your leaves. Monkey sleeps in rain. Do not make gorilla angry. Before visiting Monkey Bank, use the Cave Ready checklist. Clean the badge. Get your score above 700. The 3 times rule. Cave should not cost more than 3 years of leaf income. Stone stash. Save at least 10 to 20%. Emergency banana. Keep 3 months of leaves hidden for rainy days. Follow rules. You relax in cave. Other monkeys still sleep in trees. This is not financial advice. Please do not sue the monkey.